When it comes to double-hung windows, Taylor, our team of professional window installers is second to none. We specialize in providing top-notch window replacement services that cater to the unique needs of each homeowner. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to enhance the comfort and aesthetics of your home while reducing energy costs. Whether you're looking for vinyl double-hung windows or custom window solutions, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Taylor MI residents trust us for all their window replacement needs. Our window replacement experts are skilled in handling everything from window frame replacement to window glass replacement. We understand the importance of maintaining the integrity of your windows, which is why we offer comprehensive residential window services. Our affordable window services ensure that you receive high-quality replacements without breaking the bank. For those in need of double-hung window Taylor maintenance, our team provides thorough inspections and upkeep to ensure your windows remain in optimal condition. We offer window hardware replacement and window sash replacement to address any issues that may arise. Our local window contractors are dedicated to providing reliable and efficient services to the Taylor community. Energy-efficient windows in Taylor are a popular choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's insulation. Our window insulation services are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while reducing energy consumption. We also offer window weatherproofing and window sealing services to protect your home from the elements. Our double-hung window styles in Taylor, Michigan are available in a variety of designs to suit any architectural preference. Vinyl windows in Taylor, Michigan are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. Our vinyl double-hung windows are crafted from high-quality materials to ensure longevity and performance. We offer custom windows in Taylor, MI, to meet the specific needs and preferences of our clients. Our window screen installation services provide an added layer of protection against insects and debris. Window leak replacement in Taylor, Michigan is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your home. Our team is experienced in identifying and addressing leaks to prevent further damage. We also offer window trim services in Taylor, MI to enhance the appearance of your windows. Our double-hung window experts in Taylor, Michigan are committed to delivering superior craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. For those seeking double-hung window Taylor upgrades, we offer a range of options to improve the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window pane replacement services ensure that your windows are clear and free from damage. We also provide window sealing services in Taylor, MI to